Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily mark all your emails as read inside of Gmail. Now there's a few reasons you may want to do this. One of them may be you don't want this notification showing here, and it'll be the same in your iPhone. You know, if you let these emails add up, sometimes you're going to have like ridiculous amount of notifications on your Gmail account and it's just not the best look. So we're going to show you how to get rid of that now. So to start with, you first want to log into your Gmail account and just open it up so it looks like this here. And then what you want to do is you basically want to go in the top left corner and you'll see this little box here. Now you'll see boxes next to the email too, but you want to go to the one at the top, as this will basically select everything. So when we select this, as you can see, I've only got 2 emails in my account, as this is an account I don't use much. But if you had more, it would still do the same thing. It's basically just going to select every single email. Now, since these 2 emails are unread and we wanted to mark them as read, what we would do is basically go on the same line as where we just tick that box, but we just want to go across and hover over them until you see this one with the envelope, mark as read. Now what this basically do is mark all your emails as read, and it will get rid of that notification there, and it will show that you've got no new emails since all of them has been read. So as you can see, those 2 conversations has now been marked as read. I no longer have a notification mark here, and these emails are now read and I don't have to worry about them. If I wanted to do the opposite, I can do the same thing. I can just click this box again, and as you can see, the envelope is now closed. So what this means is it marks them as unread instead of read. So we can do this again, and as you can see, they're now back to how they were at the start and they're now unread. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.